The year is 1840. A world once driven by farms, hand tools, and human muscle was changing forever. Across Europe and the United States, a revolution had begun. Not a revolution of kings and armies, but a revolution of machines. The Industrial Revolution, one of the greatest turning points in human history. And from that moment onward, humanity would never be the same. Society shifted from an agrarian world to one dominated by industry and machine manufacturing. Suddenly, iron and steel replaced traditional materials. Coal-fueled steam engines, machines like the spinning jenny and power loom multiplied production. Factories emerged. Labor became specialized. Steam locomotives, automobiles, airplanes, telegraphs, and radios transformed communication and transportation. For the first time in history, science and industry became partners. Human civilization entered a new era of power, an era of mass production, mass consumption, and limitless growth. Fast forward to the 1990s, a different revolution was taking place. The Internet age. From around 1995 to 2010, the world experienced what many consider a golden era of corporate expansion. Globalization exploded. Companies crossed borders like never before. Supply chains became international. Technology became personal. And the Internet connected humanity into one giant marketplace. For many millennials, this era still feels magical. The rise of giants like Microsoft and Dell, gaming memories from EA and Ubisoft, the excitement of fast food empires like McDonald's and KFC spreading across the world. Entertainment wasn't just entertainment anymore. It became culture. Technology wasn't just technology. It became identity. This period created habits, memories, and lifestyles that shaped an entire generation. A nostalgia many can still feel today. But every golden age eventually changes. Then came 2019. And suddenly, the world stopped. COVID-19 reshaped everything. How we worked, how businesses operated, how education functioned, and even how humans behaved. Overnight, dependence on the Internet accelerated. Remote work, virtual classrooms, digital lifestyles. Humanity adapted faster than anyone expected. Some even ask, was society naturally evolving? Or were we being programmed into a future of total technological dependence? Then came the rise of artificial intelligence. Machines no longer just assisted human labor. Now they began replacing it. Automation expanded. Algorithms made decisions. Jobs changed. Some disappeared entirely. And humanity entered another historic phase. A movement called Transhumanism. But what exactly is transhumanism? At its core, transhumanism is a philosophical movement that believes technology can enhance the human condition. Longer life, greater intelligence, enhanced abilities, better health, perhaps even freedom from aging itself. Supporters argue that future technologies may overcome human limitations that once seemed impossible to defeat. Disease, aging, physical weakness, even death. Some thinkers believe humanity may eventually evolve into something beyond human, a new state of existence, a post-human future, a being with abilities so advanced that today's humans may seem primitive by comparison. The term itself was popularized by biologist Julian Huxley in 1957. But humanity's desire to transcend death and limitation is ancient. From the Epic of Gilgamesh, to the Fountain of Youth, to legends of immortality, humans have always searched for ways to escape their limits. Perhaps transhumanism is simply the newest chapter in a very old story. But now comes the real question. If technologies one day allow humans to become smarter, stronger, or even immortal, who gets access? Will these enhancements become a basic human right, affordable for everyone? Or will they become luxury products available only to the rich and powerful? Will future humanity be equal, or divided between enhanced and non-enhanced humans? And perhaps an even bigger question, is unstoppable technological progress actually good for humanity? Or are we moving towards something we don't fully understand? What do you think? Is transhumanism humanity's next great evolution? Or are we creating a future we may regret? Write your thoughts in the comments below, because the future may already be here.